Hi Aries, this is your channel messages for the 7th of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby. Aries, your channel message is 8 of Wands, kill them with kindness. So I'm getting someone's going to call you and they're basically going to tell you everything you want to hear. Or I'm getting somebody is keep calling off your phone because they want you listen to for them monologue as to why you are wrong about a certain situation that you don't give a fuck about, Aries. Yeah, I'm getting kill them with kindness. Now be careful, somebody weapon may be named kindness. So they like to say kill them with kindness, kill them with kindness. Yeah, kindness is the name of the gun. So they might kill them with the gun, kindness. Cool, great. What else we want to say? 8 of Wands, communication. Maybe somebody literally wants to set you up, they want you to meet them at a certain location because 8 of Wands is usually the calling card, okay? But I'm getting somebody also wants you to get irate over the phone. So if somebody are calling and them a cuss you, me getting just let them talk or just mute it or put the phone down and do something else. Because I'm getting someone who wants to get you on voice recording. Yeah, kill them with kindness, but I'm getting you killing them with kindness. We got the Knight, it's the Knight of Cups coming up first. Okay, so that's the overall message. You're dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio man. All right, somebody might be coming home from being somewhere for a very long time. Okay. All right, Aries. 8 of Wands, kill them with kindness. Maybe somebody left for longer than they expected and them just came back. Or somebody left and just came back and them don't know where you guys left off or where you guys can pick up. Something around that matter. Anyways, let's go. 8 of Wands. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. First card out is the King of Pentacles. Another gentleman here. I'm getting Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries. We have a 7 of Cups. We have a star card. So I'm getting this Capricorn here. Is it that you don't know what a Capricorn do for work or the Capricorn wants to know what you do for work, okay? I feel like somebody also want to know your dreams. Somebody want to know what you want to do in life. Because I think somebody wants to know exactly what you want to do so they can sabotage it. See, that's why for the past couple of years, I have to lie about what I want to do. Because it gets sabotaged. Like, I know this already. It's been a dog. Like, I told you guys need to get a new script writer. Because every single year, y'all put me through the same shit. Take my signature, take my documents, give it to somebody else. Like, every year. Like, are you going to change the script? Or is this a repeat? Like, this is channel old movies. Anyways, let's go ahead. So, again, somebody either wants to know what you do for work or what you want to do. What you want to be in the future? You want to be a star? What kind of star you want to be? You want to be a porn star? You want to be a celebrity star? You want to be a singer star? Tell me your dreams. Tell me what you want and I'll make it come through. I have money to make it come through. You don't know that? Tell me. Getting someone who wants to know what your dreams are. What do you wish to be in life? Because somebody wants you to believe that they're the one who's going to give it to you. You want a job? I can give it to you. You want an opportunity? I can give it to you. You want to be a celebrity? I can give it to you. Maybe this is something where you want to break out in the celebrity scene, but me getting I get Capricorn. But I'm getting this Taurus Virgo man want to be the one to give you the opportunity to say yes and them boss you. Them want me the one to say, yeah, you know, it's me. I am actually the one who did it. So yeah, me getting either somebody want to know what you want to be in life so they can take it from you or give somebody else so you can watch the other person get funding for the same thing you want it to be. The only thing I'll say is before you steal someone's destiny, make sure that you can go through what them birth chart can make them go through. Okay? So hopefully when you don't reach the death card in your journey, you're not commit suicide. Because you're trying to thief somebody's destiny, not having the same birth chart. Okay, so I'm getting the man who wants to be the one to put you on. Or I'm getting this Capricorn man is convinced that you sell your pussy. Him convinced that you sell pussy. Nothing in this earth could convince this man that you don't sell pussy. Him just want, but if I try to figure out where you sell the pussy. You sell it online, you sell it in person, because we know she sells pussy. We know this has been confirmed. We just need to figure out where, how, and who is the clientele. Oh my God, I'm getting that's the secret you'll never fucking know. Because they're not real. Let's go again. We have the 3 of Pentacles. Yeah. Someone's like, I know this bitch sells, but I know what this girl does for a living. This has to be a massage parlor. This has to be an escort agency. Not yet. I told you, not yet. Not yet. I'm waiting for all the government workers to really show me their asshole. So when the government workers show me their asshole, and I know for a fact that they're gonna, they want me, they're trying to corner me basically, okay? So basically, Betsale, I'm being cornered, or I am, basically they want to try to corner me. So we can do what they want me to do, but they can't corner me yet. So they want me to have my back against the wall. Then I'm gonna be like this. Right? They want me to have my fucking back against the wall. That shit ain't gonna fucking happen. So me getting somebody want to know where you're the business. Maybe they want to patronize a business. They cannot find where you work. They know you're a celebrity. They don't know who you're working with. They know you're a celebrity, but they can't figure out who put you on. Them swear to them know, so you take off your clothes for your living, and them want to come to place, but them can't figure it out. So two truths cannot be, they cannot be two truths. One of the story has to be a lie. Two truths don't exist at the same time. Or maybe the Capricorn want you to come work for them. But I'm getting is something revealing. You'll show a lot. It's revealing. So it looks like something taboo, sex work, something like that. Maybe somebody want to make you an offer. We have the Page of Cups, we have the Queen of Wands, and we have the Devil card. Now, this could also be me getting, if you're on your way to becoming a celebrity, you have a big pussy, jealous, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman. She want, okay, there's a Leo woman here, she used to sell pussy. The Leo woman here, she used to sell pussy or she used to do porn. Me getting, she want your reputation to get fucked up too. Somebody might be either your mother, your auntie, your best friend, or your sister. Me getting your mother, your best friend, your auntie used to sell pussy. And apparently them need you, them want your reputation to be as fucked up as their reputation. So maybe somebody's starting a rumor that you sell pussy. They must say, two of you used to sell pussy together, or they used to go and please the same man and the threesome to this man. I don't know what them used to say. But I'm getting somebody used to sell pussy and then them in a corporate now, and them acting like, oh, I would never be a part of that. Because somebody was very, very desperate at one point. Somebody never have the money, them never have the morals, and them sell out. But we're getting now this King of Cups interested in you, and the first words that are coming into the mouth is actually the same thing. No, again, it might be true, maybe you do sell, but we're getting, I don't know, maybe this girl used to sell pussy and every man reject her because them say, go girl, you sell pussy. Me getting, you find one man, you sell pussy, you find one man who want to buy your blood clot pussy. And I'm getting, she's like, no, wait, she's a whore. Remember? She's a whore. You only use her for sex, she's a whore. Yeah, but people buy sex dolls all the time. So I'm getting, she never did get claimed because people tell her say her pussy big or her body count high. I'm getting the Capricorn want to claim you. And to me, when I think about Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo, I always think they're virgins, even if they're not. Because usually Capricorn and Taurus can very well. But me getting somebody who, me getting she get ridiculed because she did it. So she had to put her clothes back on, apologize, repent in a church, and go back to her yard. Me getting somebody want to buy you. Not, they don't buy pussy from you. They want to buy the pussy itself. You understand? So I don't know if somebody, I don't know. You know, like the city girls, like how one of the girls said that the other girl they try to pimp her out to PDD. Me getting your sister, your friend, that try to pimp you out to this man. But we're getting somebody jealous. Because maybe somebody thought you would be scared to take off your clothes. And me getting you tell the man yes. I know they're like, whoa, wait. No, she was supposed to be scared. She was supposed to turn her back on him. She was supposed to say no. They didn't say no. Or me getting this Queen of Wands woman, she want to scare you from the industry. Don't do this. They're going to torment you every day. You're going to be this, you're going to be that, you're going to be... I'm getting somebody jealous. Maybe the man is a director. So the man has to watch your clit through a fucking camera. So they're mad. Let's go. But I'm getting the Queen of Wands. She really want you corrupt. She want you to get bumbleclot corrupted. Corrupted, bad. And I'm getting you probably will get corrupted, but I'm getting it will be on your terms. So she feels like she's going to push you against the wall, so your only option is to give in to the devil. That is okay. You think I'm scared of the devil? Oh, that's where you went. Oh. You see, when I keep thinking that God is the only person I fear. Apparently you didn't know that I wasn't scared of the devil, so I'm getting the Queen of Wands, or the Queen of Wands that will torment you until you work with her. She want you to do this work. She will put you, she will make sure she will torment you every day until you accept this job. Sweetie, just because you're tormented every day because you cannot leave that man, no, it doesn't mean that people doesn't have a choice. I tell people all the time, I'm a 31-year-old divorcee with no kids. This is what 31-year-old looks like. Without no kids, without no stress, without being permanently damaged. This is what it looks like. And I tell people all the time, even though I'm homeless, I'm doing well off than a lot of people. I don't have kids to worry about. I don't have a man to worry about. I don't have these problems. So popular to the contrary, I don't have to choose the life people want me to choose. I don't have to choose it. I have a choice. I was smart enough to don't make a man come inside me. I was smart enough for anything that I did do, it did not leave permanent damages on my body. So even if somebody want to force you to go to the devil, okay. You don't have nothing to lose. Them have everything to lose. Them have kids. Them have things, them have a boss to think about. Them have all of these things to think about. Whatever, the only thing somebody can use and scare you is the fact that you're going to take off your clothes. What else am I going to use and scare you? Homelessness, you're done homeless. What am I going to use and scare you? That's what happens when you finish 11th grade where you finished 11th grade. That's the difference between Caribbean Examination Council and SATs. It's a difference. Awards. We got Aquarius. Am I doing Aquarius reading? Who for reading me? I don't know. I had the Aries reading. We have Judgment. We have Forbidden Fruit. And we have Marriage. Oh, so you married too. So I don't know who for wife is doing this, or I don't know if somebody, I don't know, maybe this man's supposed to marry you. So this Leo woman, why you fuck up your reputation before the man marry you. Yeah, but is that all to life though? Is that all to life when you worry about? Work, kids, marriage, car? Is that all you think about in life? There's nothing else to think about. Okay, you think about family, kids, work, beauty, and reputation. Is that all you think about? Because that's like 10% of the human, that's like 3% of the human brain. Oh, our Heavenly Father, why did you allow my destiny to believe in the hands of government workers who are incompetent? Anyways, I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.